Okay, so here we go. We are doing an unboxing with the babies for Lush.
This is gonna be super cool.
Yes, this is some products from their Christmas collection. Okay, so let's go ahead and just open it already. Where's the scissors? Can you get the scissors already, please, and open this box for us?
The scissors in there.
There's scissors up there in that little.
Okay, wait.
Here we go. Let's see. And just so y'all know, this is the Christmas gift for y'all. Just so y'all know. Yeah, okay. Came a little early. Jada, what is going on? What is your anxiety? Nobody can touch anything. What's the problem now?
I just wanted to see. Can we
just take everything out, and then we can put it on the table, and then we'll see what it is.
Oh, okay. Where's the Kinky Boots one?
I'm sorry. Too close.
Wait. Look, it's a little elf leg.
Oh, it's a little elf thing.
Another box.
Oh, careful.
Why can't we be as gentle as we were?
Okay, Jade. Okay, I think there's no more in there. I think that's it.
Okay, so this is just a little, look at how cute. And then this is a little beauty one.
Yeah, that I think was a sample. So, let's see this. Paper box, okay. And then, what's this? I think this is
A bath bomb.
a bath bomb. This is Rudolph's nose.
Oh, and then this is a little Elfie Stick.
A little Elfie Stick. I think that's a bubble bar. And then that is Santa's legs, I think, there, right?
This is supposed to be Kinky Boots, yeah, so Santa's legs.
Santa's legs, yeah.
And this is a bath bomb.
So that's a bath bomb. And this is Elfie Stick. It's a cute name. Okay. So,
Can I put it?
yeah, go ahead. Let's see. Open them.
This one is so cool.
This is one of their early gifts for them both. Is bath bomb.
It's time to develop.
You need scissors?
Yeah.
Yeah. Seems that way. Okay. Just take off. I cut it already, so just do it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, wait.
Try not to mess up the box, because I definitely will be using that box.
It says this gift was lovingly packed by Chorus Team. And then look at the little stars.
Oh.
Can I read this? It says Christmas candy box and Jada West Harlem. A bath bomb, a bath bomb.
Oh, look at the color on that one.
Wait. You got it. You got this number. I found the bath bomb.
Oh, that's a bear one. Little bear guy.
Oh.
Oh.
And candy cane. I've seen all this stuff on their website. And then that's it. Oh, I'm definitely been using it.
What is that actually?
It's a shower gel.
The shower
I'm
gel.
definitely using this one. I'm definitely using this one. Yum, 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 yum.
You can't eat it though.
I'm not eating for real.
How does it smell? What's that smell like?
Open
it. Smell it.
Oh, my taste my. What does it smell like?
It smells like
Look
cinnamon.
at the sparkles on it.
Oh, I see it.
I see
It's
it.
like iridescent, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of small, but it's alright. What does it smell like?
Yeah, it's like the sample size, just to see if you like it.
Oh.
What's it smell like?
No, it smells like a taffy.
Oh. Look at the color in that.
Smell it.
It's like candy.
Are you mad? Can I open these? Can I open
Ooh, it
these?
smells like Pepto-Bismol.
Can I open these?
No, let's wait until you're about to actually use them to
I
open
think it
them.
smells like a taffy.
Okay, good. Oh, there you have it, guys. The Lush
definitely
Christmas candy box.
But I'm using this one. I'm using this one first. I want to
think about. I don't know. I mean, it probably is though, 'cause as much as he likes to play games and stuff, right? Because then.
See, the boys always get everything they want. Well, I asked for a necklace and some leggings, and it's
Okay,
the
well,
end of the world.
your leggings are $98.
His is $300
for an electronic thing, Jada, that's gonna grow with him for years and years. How long are those leggings actually gonna fit you at the rate that you grow?
Actually, pretty long because they're in women. I'm gonna have to grow into
They're not
them
even
anyway.
designed for you, Jada. They're women's.
And also a necklace. I can wear that my entire life.
Jada, that necklace from Tiffany & Co.
How much is this stupid switch?
is $150 for sterling silver, not
Silver,
gold.
that's real silver. Okay, I don't
Sterling
want
silver.
your way.
No, we're not.
Here, you have to go the warrior way.
If we have to go down to St. Nicholas, but right now we're going up to Broadway. Broadway is that way, not this way. So we're going to go that way.
Where's that squirrel?
Oh. And I said I was gonna think about it, Jade. I didn't say that he's gonna get it. You see? So you weren't even listening.
You didn't make me think about my stuff. You said completely not. Absolutely not.
That's correct. That's yeah. Jaden, don't move. Go to the next one over here. Don't go to the wet one, Jaden. Don't go to that one. Go to another one. But the floor is wet, you said, right? Okay, go on that one, Jaden. Jada, he is looking. Oh no, because of COVID.
Yeah.
I think people are nervous to get together with more than 10 people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of food.
So what's gonna happen with the food? What do y'all do?
I didn't bring any tin foil for people to pack it up and take it. I went and bought utensils and stuff, but I ain't gonna go buy no more.
Yeah.
Here comes the tin again. This is fun.
Good. Jaden, sometimes you gotta be it, man.
Yeah, or how about now we play on the bars? We're on the bars?
Can I play hide and seek? I'm not playing that. Can I play hide and seek?
Okay, I'll play hide and seek with you.
Daddy!
She wants to do the swing.
Sarah! Can we play tag, hide and seek? No, because you never want to be it. Gosh, I'll be it. Now you're gonna be it. Now you're gonna be in with us.
Okay.
If I catch you, you have to stay. Okay. So I'm gonna count to 5. Actually, I don't even know. Okay. So you have to work. So you have to hide, and if they tag you, you have to hold them fine. So it's tag hide and seek hope? Yes. Okay, so I don't know how to count. So you do know how to count. You just count to 5. You do know how to count.
Let me see count to 5.
I don't remember.
Let me see count to 5 right now.
Dad, can you stop? You know how to count.
Go 1, 2.
Dad, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're gonna head back, Mom.
Yeah. Do you want to take some of the ribs and the fishes for the kids?
Oh, that's up to you.
And then there's your veggies.
Okay. You guys want nothing?
No, I'm pretty good.
Yeah. That's like the plain non-taste.
And then
You
those
know-
are good.
You know, I'm pretty good, Remy. It's fine.
Okay, and then you got plenty of yellow rice.
Right.
So some roast chicken and Jada for you and Jake.
No, I'm pretty good.
We have still have ribs at the house.
Okay.
Is there anything you want?
No, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
You need anything? I hate to dine and dash, but you need
No, if
anything
you
for
gotta
us?
go back to work, no, you're good.
Alright, I appreciate that.
Okay. Just make sure you do something.
Oh yes, we're all done. I would know. Thank you.
All right, Mom, we're gonna have. Yeah. You need me to take anything or anything?
Snap a few pictures.
Yeah, I'm taking the video right now, actually.
And, you know,
The video.
and some pictures.
Okay. How are your way feel, Jaden?
Really good.
Good?
And yeah,
You feel brave?
yeah.
Was it hard or easy?
This.
Was it hard or easy, Jaden?
This.
Oh, something you picked up in the field down there.